If you love Star Wars, you're going to love this one. If you live in Canada, you can buy this one. Yes, it is available in Canada and the United States. Hi guys, it's time for a digital mystery box. Now remember, digital mystery box, nothing is sent to you. You have them instantly as soon as you purchase them. Make sure you're signed into the same account at Cricut.com through the link in the description below and the same account in Design Space. And then when you go back to Design Space, you might need to sign out and sign back in again, and you will have the digital mystery box I am showing you. You will have to find the image sets that I'm showing you. So maybe take a little note on what's included in this digital mystery box. So if you know anybody who loves Star Wars, you can make them such amazing gifts. Let me show you the first set is Modernography. Star Wars, Modernography, 18 images. These are really cool. And these are not printable. They are in layers. You can make these into shirts or anything you want to make them into. Next, we have Star Wars, The Child Season 2. May the Force be with you. Look at how cute these are. That's cute. I love that one too. And next, Geo Linear. These are really cool. There's 12 images. These would be so cool on a t-shirt. You cannot make images to sell. They're for personal use only. And then Star Wars The Mandalorian Printables. These are really cool. These are really, really neat. They're like Star Wars cards. You could even do these if you have a sublimation printer. You could put these on a mug. Aren't they awesome? Now, these are only available in this mystery box. For right now, they will not be in access. They will be available later at a much higher price. Okay, and then we have The Mandalorian. 10 images. Stormtrooper. Hello, friend. These are really cool. This is the way. I really like these. And I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. I've never seen Star Wars, but these images are cool for people who love Star Wars. I really like these. I think they're really cool. So let's go through these images again. You have The Mandalorian. The Mandalorian Printables. Star Wars Geo Linear. Star Wars The Child Season 2. Star Wars Modernography. So let me show you how to find these in Design Space once you purchase them. So we're just going to go back to a blank screen. We're going to click on images. We're going to click all images. We're going to, under highlighted categories, we're going to click image sets. On a mobile device, you will not see this list. You will see highlighted categories. Click on image sets. Search Star Wars. Some of these are older ones that were in previous mystery boxes. Let's go down to the new ones. Star Wars Modernography, The Mandalorian, Geo Linear, The Mandalorian Printables, The Child Season 2. So you can also go under Purchased. If you go to Ownership, under Purchased, it will show you all the image sets you have purchased that are under Star Wars if you have that selected. So this would be the easiest way to find them. Remember, it is not shipped to you. My discount code does not work. If you have Cricut Access, you do get 10% off. So it's only $29.99. You'll get 10% off of that. Normally, it's $128 for all of these. So you're getting $99 off. If you're a Star Wars fan or have friends or family that are Star Wars fan, I suggest you get it. You won't be disappointed. Remember, there's no cutie in this box. It's not a box being shipped out to you. You get it instantly in your Design Space account. They will not email you anything to download. There's nothing to download. It's automatically in there. This is not a monthly subscription. It's just this Star Wars box. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will see you a little bit later. Bye, guys.